Most Americans don't overspend because they're careless. They overspend because they're human. Humans forget. Humans get emotional. Humans make impulsive decisions. But AI doesn't. Right now, millions of Americans are using artificial intelligence to control their spending automatically, and it's saving them thousands every year. Stay until the end, because the final method is the one that stops overspending almost instantly. For decades, managing money required discipline. Tracking expenses. Remembering bills. Avoiding impulse purchases. But discipline is unreliable. Some days you're focused. Some days you're tired. Some days you just don't care. That's why Americans are turning to AI. Not because they're bad with money, but because AI removes the biggest weakness in personal finance: human behavior. Let's break down exactly how Americans are using AI to control spending step by step. Method 1: Automatic spending tracking. The first thing AI does is simple. It shows you the truth. AI budgeting tools automatically track every dollar you spend. Groceries, subscriptions, shopping, food delivery, gas, entertainment. Most people think they know where their money goes. They don't. When Americans first connect their accounts to AI trackers, many are shocked. They discover hidden spending patterns they never noticed. Not big purchases. Small ones. Because small spending repeated daily is what drains money the fastest. AI turns invisible spending into visible data. And visibility creates control. Method 2: Smart category analysis. Tracking alone isn't enough. That's where AI analysis comes in. AI doesn't just list transactions. It studies behavior. It detects patterns like overspending weekends, late night purchases, subscription stacking, emotional shopping spikes. Then it gives insights like: you spend 40% more when ordering delivery. You could save $300 per month by reducing this category. Humans guess. AI calculates. And when spending decisions are based on data instead of emotion, people naturally spend less. Method 3: Real-time spending alerts. One of the biggest reasons people overspend is timing. They realize they overspent after it already happened. AI changes that. It sends real-time alerts like: you're close to your monthly limit. Spending is higher than usual. This purchase may cause overdraft. These alerts act like a financial warning system. Instead of discovering problems later, you catch them instantly. This is why Americans using AI tools often reduce overspending within weeks. Not because they try harder, because they get warned sooner. Method 4: Subscription detection. One of the biggest money leaks in America is subscriptions. Streaming services, apps, memberships, free trials. Many people forget they even exist. AI tools automatically detect recurring charges and flag them. Some even show how often you use a service, how much it costs yearly, whether similar subscriptions overlap. When Americans see they're paying hundreds yearly for something unused, they cancel it immediately. AI doesn't just find expenses, it finds waste. Method 5: Spending predictions. Here's something powerful most people don't realize. AI can predict your future spending based on past behavior. It can estimate how much you'll spend this month, whether you'll exceed your budget, how much you'll save. This turns money management from reactive to proactive. Instead of asking, "How much did I spend?" you ask, "How much will I spend if I continue like this?" Prediction changes behavior fast. Because when you see the future, you change the present. Method 6: Automatic bill management. Late fees are one of the most unnecessary expenses people pay. They don't buy anything. They don't improve your life. They're pure loss. AI tools now automatically remind you of due dates, schedule payments, prevent missed bills, optimize payment timing. Americans using automated bill systems save hundreds yearly just by avoiding mistakes. Not by earning more, by losing less. And preventing losses is one of the fastest ways to build wealth. Method 7: Spending Limit Automation. This is the most powerful feature of all. AI can enforce spending rules automatically. For example, limiting daily spending, locking categories after budget is reached, blocking unnecessary purchases, transferring extra money to savings. This removes willpower from the equation. Instead of relying on self-control, you rely on system control. And systems never get tired. That's why Americans using automated spending systems report the fastest financial improvements. The real reason AI works. Most people think AI works because it's smart. That's not the real reason. AI works because it's consistent. Humans forget, get distracted, get emotional. AI remembers, tracks, follows rules. Money success isn't about intelligence. It's about consistency. And consistency is what AI does best. Final message. Americans who control spending best aren't the most disciplined. They're the most automated. They don't rely on motivation. They rely on systems. Because when your system is strong, your habits don't need to be. AI doesn't replace your decisions. It protects them. If you want more AI money tools, smart financial systems, simple strategies Americans use to win financially, subscribe to the Money System. Because the future of money management isn't manual, it's automated.